I'm Jyoti Upadhyay, your science teacher. Today we are going to study about topic light. Okay, when you think about light, what comes in your mind? What is light? Light is a source of energy. What is light? Light is a source of energy which enables us to see the object. Light develops the sense of visibility, and because of light we can see any object. Now we will understand what are objects. Basically, according to light, we can define object in two types. First one is luminous object and second one is non-luminous object. First of all, we will understand what are luminous object. Any object which can emit its own light is called luminous object. Any object which can emit its own light is called luminous object. Like sun is a huge source of light and heat energy. So what is sun? Sun is a luminous object. A burning candle is also luminous object. A lightning lamp is also a luminous object like this. A lightning tube light is also a luminous object. Stars are luminous objects. Okay, so these are called luminous objects. Why these are called luminous objects? Because they can emit their own light. That's why these are called luminous objects. Now we will understand what are non-luminous objects. Objects which can't emit their own light, only reflect sun's or tube light from its surface, are called non-luminous object. Like this box, it is non-luminous object because here this picture can't emit its own light. It is only reflecting light which is coming from tube light. I am also non-luminous object because I can't emit light. I only reflecting light which is falling on my face, and when it is reflecting back, then you can see me. Okay, so everything present in our surrounding are non-luminous object like table, chair, our attires, ornaments, full furniture, many flowers. These are non-luminous object. Okay, so I hope it is clear what are luminous object, what are non-luminous object, and what is light. Light is a source. Now we will understand what are transparent, opaque, and translucent objects. See, if light can pass through any object, then it is called transparent object. What is transparent object? Like I am wearing this glass and light can pass through it. That's why it is called transparent object. So glass, water, these are transparent object because you can see me. Okay, so it is called transparent object. When light can pass through any object, then it is called transparent object. Now we will understand what is translucent object. If light can pass partially through any object, then it is called translucent object. Like this, you can see my face blur because light is partially passing through it. So it is translucent object. Okay, if you take any tissue paper and apply some oil on it, then what will happen? You can't see properly behind that because it is translucent. Light can partially pass through it. That's why it is called translucent object. Now we will understand about what is opaque object. See, I am having this box. When I am putting this box over my mouth, then what is happening? You can't see my mouth and face. Why? Because it is opaque object and light can't pass through it. Light is only reflecting from its surface. Okay, so it is called opaque object. Okay, now we will understand what is shadow. How shadow cast? See, shadow cast when any opaque object comes in the path of light source, then shadow cast. And there are three basic conditions for casting a shadow. First, there should be light source, there should be opaque medium and one screen. So here I'm trying to cast shadow. It is light object, okay, and I am opaque medium, and you can see behind me there is shadow casting because I am obstructing the path of light, okay. That's why you can see shadow is casting behind me.